Hi, just a quick bit of bike maintenance, not repair but maintenance. Mimi's bike has that squeaky spoke, sounds like that. Can you hear that? When she's riding, it's doing that noise. And what it is that these spokes are slightly slack. So when there's the heavy weight that she's carrying on the back and she's riding, when the wheel's spinning around at these slack points, it's making this sound. So we're going to have to tighten that. To tighten it, you need this tool. This is a spoke tightening tool, or loosening. Right, so you find the right measurement, which for this one is 15, I believe, which is there. And then you find your loose spokes, your culprits, and you want to tighten them. So you follow the spoke up, which is loose. You put the number 15 in the top there, and it is 15, and you turn it. Now, clockwise or anti-clockwise? Well, you have to find out, don't you? So turn it the way that you think. I'm turning it clockwise to see if it's tightening. Okay. Yeah, and then I'll turn the other one clockwise a little bit as well. Right, so I gave them both one turn clockwise. Now they're not making that noise, they're tighter. I think the problem is with this, I might actually unstraighten the wheel by doing it. So when I've finished, I have to check the straightness of the wheel, that it's not buckled. To do that, you look down the gap inside the wheel there where it is, you spin the wheel. If it's running true, then you're all right. And it's running true enough. There's a little kink in this wheel, but not much. So I'll keep going. There you go.